This is Tim here from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to clear the cache on your Android phone. So you can do this a couple different ways. The first way I'm going to show you is how to clear the apps, the cache apps. So we can just go on down to apps right now and locate this right here. So here's apps. Go to this. Now go to your application that you're having an issue with and just go to storage. And there should be an option to clear the cache on there. So let's wait for this and then go to this app right here, whatever app it is, going down to storage. And we can see the option for storage right here. Go to clear cache. And then you can see the cache is cleared. Now you can go to clear data here too. And this will pretty much sign you out of your account depending on the application. But this will delete the files, settings, accounts, database, etc. So you can clear it out right there. Now we can go back to the main settings menu. Now on your Android phone, you might not have device care, so you might have to go like storage or something like that. But on mine, I have device care for my Samsung phone. And you can see the option for storage and memory down here. But we can go to memory. And there is an option in here to pretty much free up some memory. So let's free up the memory by stopping background apps. So let's just do that right here. And then that should free up some memory as well. And then we can also go to the switcher and we can close all our applications down. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.